Hello, dear friends. Thank you for accompanying us until the end of this video so that you can raise lovebirds properly and better. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How to pair lovebirds budgies mating. Most people are usually very surprised to see lovebirds. The lovebird is also known as the long-tailed parrot and is one of the most well-known types of parrots. Many people are thinking of breeding and raising this bird due to their great interest in this bird, but they are not familiar with the tips of pairing lovebirds. By presenting this article, we want to help you understand these points. Budgies are about 20 centimeters long and come in hundreds of bright green and yellow colors. Lovebirds are quiet birds that need affectionate caresses. Therefore, you should observe many points in their maintenance and reproduction coming, so you don't have to wait for them to get used to each other. In some cases, birds may be comfortable with each other if they are kept in cages close together. Although their bond won't be as strong, it's a good first step toward bonding. Age of birds for mating budgies. Choose a female between the ages of 1 and 3 years. This usually results in healthier babies. However, he will become more fertile before reaching 3 years of age. If you are not sure how old your bird is, you can take them to a veterinarian for an evaluation. A veterinarian can determine the approximate age of your friend. Choose a male between 1 and 6 years old. A male lovebird will produce healthier chicks if it is at least 1 year old. Unlike females, male birds will continue to produce healthy offspring until they reach 6 years of age. If you are unsure of your bird's age, your veterinarian can help you determine how old your bird is, so don't hesitate about it. Determining bird health. Take your birds to an avian veterinarian to confirm their health. Make sure you are with an experienced vet. They can help you avoid mating lovebirds that are sick or disfigured. In this section, there are things that the veterinarian should check to ensure health. Both birds have no discoloration. None of the birds are lazy. Both birds are eating and defecating without any problems. None of the birds vomit.